A mother always expects a hug of her beloved child on all occasions and all times. And if the child has fallen face in the mud and runs towards his mother crying, what does the mother do? She will take him in her arms, comforts him, and then gently clean all the mud and dirt and will give a big hug. Because the child has come to her in effect saying through his tears, though he said nothing, "Mummy, I am a mess. I am helpless. I cannot clean myself. But if you choose, you can make me heal." Dear friends, we see in today's gospel, Jesus responds exactly this way to a leper. In order to understand better this passage, we should know what leprosy is and what the leper asked Jesus to do. Leprosy is a disease of the nervous system which causes its victim to lose all sense of touch and pain, initially in the fingers and toes, and then spreading up the arms and legs, and then other parts of the body. The ill person damages his toes and fingers and knock them and even cut them because they don't feel pain. So as leprosy advances, the leper hardly looks human. No fingers, no toes, face disappearing, moreover isolated from the family and from the society. So leprosy is a symbol of lostness. What does this mean for us today? Because today we are affected by this disease. We are not aware what is happening to us. Leprosy is a picture of sin eating away, gradually destroying who you are and making you less and less human and leaving you alone and hopeless. Leprosy is a picture of sin eating away, gradually destroying who you are and making you less and less human and leaving you alone and hopeless. This incident gives us a beautiful picture of the way Jesus responds to us when we go to Him, admitting our weaknesses, our sins and failures, and acknowledging that He alone can make us clean, and throwing ourselves on His mercy. See, what did leper ask Jesus? He did not say, "Lord, heal my disease," but he said, "If you choose, you can make me clean." It shows it is a spiritual healing than a physical healing, and he is aware that he cannot heal himself. He is unworthy, but Jesus can. Friends, like a mother, Jesus is willing to clean and heal you, you and me. He is willing to forgive, to restore our relationships with Him and others. So let us examine ourselves today. Are we willing to offer Him fully?